Okay, time for some hide and seek with the Apple AirTag. I just barely got it today, and my first impression out of the box, it's amazing. I'm filming on the Samsung S21 if you're wondering, and yes, I am using a gimbal. So, I've hidden my keys. I know it says jacket on there. I might put it in my jacket because I don't know if I want to spend $20 on a key tag hanger. So let's switch to the iPhone and I'll show you how it looks. So the predicament is easy. Where are my keys? So you open up Find Me and it says Pietro's jacket, and it says that it says the address is 505 East 900 North. And it says it was located 1 minute ago, and then it shows you a location. Now here's the cool thing. If you can't find it, you can actually get directions right through the app. If you just click on that little thing right there, see notifications when found, notify when found. You can do a lost mode. You can rename the item. That way people know what they're looking for. So we're gonna do find nearby. Searching for a signal, try moving to a different location. So now you would have to go to that address and then just start walking around if you couldn't hear it. So while we're trying to get closer, searching for a signal, searching for a signal. Is it behind that satellite dish? Try moving to a different location. So this is the hard part. Oh, connected. Signal is weak. Try moving to a different location. But we're getting closer. 34 feet, 27, 22. Okay, so now, because we're within Bluetooth range, can you hear it? 18 feet. Now it says to my right. 10 feet, 9 feet, 7 feet. Connected. Signal is weak. 5 feet nearby. Then I'll press the sound again. Oh. So I'm looking for car keys, not a jacket. A jacket would be easier to spot. Oh. So that's how loud it is, and we're outside. So I figured this was a better test than shove them in some other couch or some of the other videos that I saw. And we'll play the sound one more time. And then the phone is also vibrating to letting me know. So now if we get the phone closer, so if you get really close and you still can't hear it, it lets you know you're within a foot. So that's how loud it is in the real world. I'll play the sound one more time. The Apple AirTag, a fun game of hide and seek. And you can buy one of these for only $29 on Amazon, or you can buy them through Apple. Shipping's free. You can get them engraved if you buy them through apple.com, but I didn't want to wait for the engraving. I just was dying to use one. I actually think the tile is louder. I'll have to run some more tests. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.